In this demo, we're going to show you how organizations can empower their managers and leaders to upskill their teams to meet critical business outcomes. Let's see how Oracle Dynamics Skills makes this possible. We're joined by Marie, who just got out of her latest strategy meeting, where she received the team's new goals for the fiscal year. Marie wants to make sure her team is set up for success to accomplish their objectives. So she navigates to the Team Skills Center. Here, she can get a clear visual of her team's current core skills and role skills, as well as the skills they're developing. She notices her team is missing analytical research and analytical thinking skills, which are going to be critical to her direct's productivity and goal attainment. Marie navigates to assign a core skill, chooses her directs as the recipients, and adds analytical research and analytical thinking. She knows that the team will also need advanced knowledge, so she easily adds that to her team's developing core skills too. Because Oracle Dynamics Skills is part of Oracle Cloud HCM, her team will automatically see the new skills appear on their profile and receive AI-recommended development opportunities that help them reach those skills. Within a couple of minutes, Marie can assess the skills her team needs for today and promote the ones that will drive innovation and agility for tomorrow. Oracle Dynamics Skills makes it easy to think big about your skills journey, but start small and move fast to get value quicker. To see a comprehensive demo of how Oracle Cloud HCM can empower your organization to drive workforce agility with skills insights, connect with your sales rep today.